I'm gonna show you a few things. Going to show you these earth magnets I've got in that I'm going to use on my Gen 7 for the Velcro is not holding so well, so I'm going to put earth magnets here to help hold the top down. I've been doing a little cleanup on the rig since used it in a competition last Sunday. I competed in 3 classes, a Gen 7 spec class, finished second, and I finished second with losing this bolt out of the front strut, or shock I should say, in my second stage. So, you know, I am very pleased with a second place considering what I went through. I ran my Gen 8 in class 2 sport, finished 4th out of 14. Very happy with that one. And then I ran my TRX4 Blazer in a team comp, 3-people team, and we finished 3rd out of 4th. And I actually stripped the plastic stock servo horn on the TRX4 in the middle of a stage, and after that stage we replaced it with a metal one and continued. So actually very pleased with that finish as well. But the rigs took a little beating, so the Gen 7 was getting cleaned up, and actually I had never opened up the axles, so I've taken the back one off, re-greased it. Front one I have not done yet, but did a nut and bolt check on everything and decided I wanted to do something slightly different for the front, securing the front of the truck. So I'm going to put that on here, and then I'm going to give you a course update on the backyard course. Got a little bit of work done on the back, but I'll give you an update on that. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe and share. And you'll see some more of this in the future. So here, I'll get started in just a moment with these magnets. All right, guys, so I started with, got the Velcro off of the stock piece there. So I went ahead and took that off. And here I have the body off, completely off the truck. So I need to get the Velcro off of the body too. So I'm just using a little X-Acto knife here to get the edge pulled up, and then pull it up after that. I got the edge started right here, and just pull it off. There we go. Get that removed. And I think next, I've never actually used these earth magnets to mount anything, but I know a lot of people have been using them and talking about them, so I figured why not give it a try. Let's see how it works. The Velcro worked fairly well, but during the competition last week it started giving me problems. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do one in the center or maybe 2. I think I'm leaning towards 2. One on each side. So I think I picked up these earth magnets off Amazon for, I don't know, like $8 shipped for a pack like 20 or something. Not a bad price. Figure I could probably use other ones for something else as well. They definitely seem to be pretty strong. So I'm thinking something like that. I'm probably just going to use some Gorilla Glue to glue it to the truck first. So I think, yeah, all right guys, so I'm going to use a little bit of Gorilla Glue, glue it to the truck. And I think once it's seated to the truck, I'll probably just do the same thing, put some Gorilla Glue on the top of the magnets and put the body on, push it down against it, and let it sit and set. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little while, probably a half hour or more. I got pizza orders for me and my boy. And so after that, I'll probably come back in here and do the other part of it. And I'll show you all that. And then after all that, give you an update on the backyard course. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. Back after a little bit of dinner, some Papa John's pizza. And the magnets are mostly set up on the truck side. I cleaned the body up from the competition. And now I'm going to put a little Gorilla Glue on this side. And then push the body down and let it sit for a half hour or more. Let it set up, and then we will see how well that works. It's definitely sitting down where I want it. So we'll come back and after it's set up and see how they work. All right, guys. So it's actually about a day later from the rest of the video. I ended up messing up with the magnets, and I had to actually redo it, I think twice, and let them sit up longer, but they're actually working. So you can see there, I need to do a little cleanup of the Gorilla Glue, and then also up there, and it actually holds pretty good. You can sort of hear it click as it goes down. And I can still pull it up. I haven't drove it yet to see, you know, how well it holds up, because I can still push it up, but it clips down. So next couple days I'll get it out in the backyard course and see how it is. So for now, that's it with the Gen 7 and the body mounts, and show you some updates on the backyard course. Good afternoon, guys. So here's the update on the backyard course. I did get some dirt, and the rain is washing it away. I'm not sure how to combat that. Ideas, please let me know. The bridge is a little bit more stable as well, screwed together. Shouldn't have any issues there, but got to figure out the dirt thing. I'm a little disappointed on that. Not much change through here. I did make a new little obstacle out of some leftover pieces. Here just sort of you know, lifts up one side and sort of the other, and then I have added some scrap wood, drilled it down. It's drilled into that to make it a little harder as you go up on that, and I'll probably add a few more on there, make it a little higher. This piece down here, the other piece to it is inside. I'm sort of rebuilding it, and I'll bring it back out here and put it on here. So really, that's all I have for the course at the moment. I was planning to do some driving on it, but it's really wet, and I'm disappointed with the dirt. So I'm really open to ideas on the dirt, to how to keep it from washing away. It looked really good the other day when I put it down. Didn't even get to run on it yet, and we've had a lot of rain last 24 hours or so.